I got a coach impersonation. All right, y'all, we got the Camaro. White Camaro in the right lane.
You look like you pull that head if you want.
Yeah, I'm finna go get me another piece. We got a white Camaro in the right lane. And on Monte Carlo, G-Body in the left lane, playing with the Nitrous. All right, here we go. Got the turbo Camaros turned up. It's too much. Look out, look out. Charlie. XTREME, appreciate the follow. The sad boys. What y'all sad about? XTREME. What you been working on? What you working on, home?
Last man standing. All to the lanes. I need everybody to the lane. Everybody.
You know, speak.
Hey, you can get there with that Mustang you got.
No. Working on their research. Oh, you be working on that research? Okay. There go Ghetto Child, man. Let me see if he's still in my class, man. He be talking that shit days before the months before the event. He just reneged on $100 bet. What you be researching, Dre?
Texas Smoke on the hood. They got the sharp piece hood. They got the hood plugs. They got it. That's right, guys. They got the sharp piece hats. They got all kind of shirts. Y'all go check them out.
That done peeled it up.
Hey, you see what that man looked at?
They got the Junior Screen team.
Bitch, I'm in my car. Now you can hear this boat. You don't get your whole ass. You don't get your whole ass.
What do you do?
Hit you in your head about. Stop trying to play that bitch ass role.
What are you trying to do?
He said I'm supposed to be in the lane of 10 and he wasn't in the lane of 10.
Yeah. Oh, he trying to get something soft.
Yeah, he trying to, he want something. He want me to get something free by cracking me in this motherfucker head this ball. Yeah.
What happened, Low?
No, that riding motherfucker that's still talking about that silver dollar shit.
saying that because he better with Dad.
I know it. I know it.
Man.
I know it.
What happened? What
That
happened?
rotten ass boom boy. That's the boom boy. Yeah, motherfucker right there. Hey, you fuck somebody. Fuck what I'm doing.
Yeah.
You fuck somebody.
Yeah, he
Fuck
did.
what I'm doing. Boom. Everybody knows you a dirty motherfucker. Hey, you a dirty motherfucker. You fuck somebody.
Yeah.
He low.
Oh, he did?
He won.